Water is essential for life. Water is the most important substance in our evolution and our daily lives. Without water, life as we know it would not have been possible. Water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, while less than 3% of this water is drinkable, and that too contaminated by polluted substances of Earth and man-made chemicals. Water pollution is one of the biggest threats to the environment today. People falling ill and getting poisoned from impure and hard water. Half of the beds in hospitals around the world are filled with people suffering from a water-related disease. A study has shown that about 10 million people are being negatively affected from impure water, and every year about 2.2 million people die from drinking impure water. Besides the impurity in water, hard water is the biggest problem that millions of industries and households across the country face. Hard water is high in mineral salts, especially calcium and magnesium ions, that creates problems like the soap does not form proper lather with hard water. It is harmful for human hairs and skin. Hard water causes clogging of plumbing pipes and damages costly taps, bathtubs, fittings, etc. It causes scaling on washing machines, tubs, geysers, kettles, and other electrical water gadgets. Only new generation technology can solve this problem. The Bluebird water softener now comes to the frame to solve the problem of hardness of the water. Bluebird is one of the largest water softener domestic and industrial manufacturers and best service providers in India. Since 1979, Bluebird is a trusted brand in the field of voltage and stabilizer. With over 35 years of experience in understanding real-time consumer need, the company entered into healthcare product segment with product line of water softener under the same brand Bluebird. Company mission is aiming to be among top 5 brands of India and targeting 100 crores business in next 3 years, and committed to consumer to provide the products which will be value for money, and also committed to introduce at least one innovative product in water purifiers every year. Company vision is to provide quality products and services which will fulfill the real-time need of consumers in water purifier products. Filtration is the primary process in any water treatment plant. These days, it is inconceivable to use water without some kind of purification. The best way to soften water is to use a water softener unit and connect it directly to the water supply. Water softening treatment method being used worldwide for all household applications, as we can get very large quantities of soft water in reasonable time. The system shown here is typical whether it is for residential complex, commercial buildings, industries, hotels, hospitals, etc. The softener contains a bed of ion exchange material through which hard water passes, and in the process it exchanges sodium ions for the hardness. The calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water have a stronger positive charge than the sodium ions. As a result, the calcium and magnesium have a stronger attraction to negatively charged resin bead than sodium does. Hence, when hard water is passed through the resin bead, the sodium ion is kicked off the resin bead and the calcium and magnesium ions take its place and get attached to the bead. In simple terms, we can say that the calcium and magnesium ions are exchanged for sodium ions. Hence, the hard water turns into soft water, since the treated water does not contain any calcium or magnesium ions. Bluebird water softener benefits: healthier skin and hair, brighter, cleaner, longer lasting clothes, use up to 75% less soap, shampoo, detergent, and other cleaning products, dramatically reduces your home energy consumption and saves up to 48% on your water heating bills. Enjoy spotless, scale-free dishes, tile, sinks, faucets, bathtubs, showers and appliances. Bluebird water softener. Pio more, Geo more.